Welcome to the Spartan Machinery, where innovation meets reliability. We haven't just built machines, we've built trust, technology, and a legacy that stands tall. Presenting the next generation of construction machinery, engineered with the world's most advanced automation and precision systems. A powerful, all-in-one solution that brings heavy-duty hydraulic pressure and German-engineered vibration technology, all seamlessly integrated for unmatched performance. One machine, unlimited possibilities. Whether it's fly ash bricks, paver blocks, solid blocks, concrete blocks, or hollow blocks, the Spartan machinery delivers superior strength, quality, and consistency, every time. Designed for the future, our fully automatic machines feature robotic lifting systems and intelligent batching technology, crafted to reduce labor, boost productivity, and ensure smooth, error-free operation from start to finish. What sets the Spartan machinery apart? Checkmark low maintenance. Checkmark high performance. Checkmark single mold technology, for uniform output and maximum efficiency. Whether you're starting a new plant or upgrading an existing setup, the Spartan machinery is your trusted partner in progress. From small-scale ventures to large industrial units, our machines are built to grow with your business. We also offer complete customization to meet your exact production needs, space requirements, and project goals. Whatever your challenge, the Spartan machinery has the solution, designed, engineered, and delivered with unmatched expertise. With over 3 decades of excellence, the Spartan machinery is not just a name, it's a global benchmark in construction machinery. Since 1992, we've been India's most trusted manufacturer and exporter, and today, we're empowering industries across the world. Wherever you build, the Spartan machinery powers your foundation. We're not just a brand. We are Spartan, the best in the business. Join the thousands of businesses who trust the Spartan machinery for strength, speed, scalability, and success. Hello and welcome to the Spartan machinery, where we don't just follow industry trends, we set them. The construction industry is evolving faster than ever before, and so are the demands for precision, speed, efficiency, and automation. That's where we come in. Spartan is proud to introduce a new era of intelligent, fully automatic block-making machines, crafted with cutting-edge hydraulic pressure systems, EN8 hardened steel cylinders, high RPM vibration motors, and 7-inch Siemens PLC touchscreens. Let's talk numbers. Up to 21 bricks per stroke. Over 40,000 bricks per shift. Up to 80% production efficiency. Customized solutions for every plant size and layout. But Spartan is more than technical specs. We're a brand that has been awarded as Best Emerging Exporter in Machinery and Tools, Best Construction Machinery and Equipment Company in 2022. Our commitment doesn't end with machine delivery. We offer complete installation, operator training, custom design, lifetime service and consultation, with a presence in countries like UAE, Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania, Nepal, Saudi Arabia, Australia, and more. We're not just leading in India. We're building the world. This is your invitation to upgrade your plant, to streamline your production, and to lead your market. Spartan Machinery, where your future begins. When you choose Spartan, you don't just get machinery, you get a partner with over 15 years of industry trust, international awards, and a legacy of 400+ machines installed globally. Our integrated systems combine heavy-duty N-8 cylinders, high RPM vibration, intelligent batching, and precision robotic arms, delivering flawless output in every cycle. From compact 3,000 square feet setups to 7,000 square feet production giants, we've designed every model to be efficient, durable, and scalable. With custom solutions for every plant size and every challenge, Spartan is where reliability meets reality. Don't just build faster, build smarter. Build with the Spartan standard.